Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's with the Home Decor Luxe Club and it's Vlogtober and this is being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now we have some co-hosts, so let me tell you who they are. We have Creations by Simone, we have DIY Design by CCW, Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and MMIRIM Creative Corner. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what we did for Vlogtober. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So today, I decided to go ahead and decorate a little fall vignette for you guys. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music while I put this together, and I'm going to see you at the end. Now I did decide last minute to go with some wood items and I'm really liking the look. So for all of you who don't know, I do have a second channel and it's called Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I would love for you to head on over there and support me. So you know what I was noticing when I was looking at my channel is that a large number of you are not subscribed. If you love the content, guys, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Click the red button that says subscribe and then double click that notification bell and you'll get notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so I lit the candle. It's time to head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living for hosting this collaboration, along with all of the beautiful co-hosts. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.